Welcome to this edition of Research Connection. Joining me today is Dr. Sid Thakur. Thanks for joining me.
Well, thank you, Kyle. Hi, everyone. My name is Dr. Thakur. I'm a professor of molecular epidemiology in the Department of Population Health and Pathobiology at the College of Veterinary Medicine at NC State. I'm also the Director of Global Health for the college. The research focus area for my lab is on antimicrobial drug resistance, and we focus on bacterial foodborne pathogens that impact both human and animal health. And you work on drug resistance in the area of One Health, so we don't just focus on humans and animals, we also look at the environment a lot. And within antimicrobial resistance, we call it the farm to genome approach. So we are doing intense sampling on the farm, and then we go all the way to the genome. The lab in the college is also representing the state of North Carolina in two national surveillance programs. The first one is the FDA's Genome Tracker program, which is a whole genome sequencing based platform for bacterial foodborne pathogens at the national and the global level. And the second national program is the National Antimicrobial Resistance Monitoring System, and we generate the drug resistance profile for 4 pathogens from retail meats in North Carolina. The lab is represented by Lindy Harden, who is the lab manager, by Aaron Harrell, who handles the NAMS programs, and by Luke Raymond, who is responsible for Center for Produce Safety Grant. We have 4 graduate students. Ayana Glaze is a senior postgraduate student funded through a NIFA training grant. Then we have Dawn Hull, we have Annie Wong, who is a DBM PhD student, shared with Dr. Christina Lanzas. And then we have Dr. Nagatu Aklelu, who is a student from Ethiopia and is shared, commented by Dr. Paula Cray and myself. We also provide a lot of training and mentoring to undergraduate students, students who want to join our DVM program at some stage, so we get the research experience and also provide them in mentoring for writing research grants. So all in all, that is the Thakur Lab to you in a nutshell, and please follow us on Twitter.
Hi, my name is Lindy Harden. I'm a research associate with the Thakur Lab, and I work with the Genome Tracker project. The Genome Tracker is the first international network of labs performing whole genome sequencing for pathogen identification. Whole genome sequencing is a cost-effective, efficient, and fast way to monitor foodborne outbreaks on an international level.
All right. Hi, I'm Elliot Rosso. I'm a research technician here with the Thakur Lab, and I'm working with stable isotope probing to investigate which microbes in the soil are destroying Salmonella pathogen biomass. Luke over here is working with the qPCR plate that we're loading right now to see which bacteria are doing that.
Hello, my name is Erin Harrell. I'm a technician for Dr. Thakur, and I'm the lead on the NARMS project, which stands for National Antimicrobial Retail Meat Surveillance for Enteric Bacteria. So what I do is I test retail meat from all around the triangle, different grocery stores, large meat distributors and smaller ones, and I look for E. coli, Enterococcus, Campylobacter, and Salmonella. And whatever I find, I freeze it back, I ship it to the FDA so they can catalog it. We've also recently started doing whole genome sequencing on it.
Great. My name is Nagatu. I am a PhD student in this college. I am supervised by Dr. Cray and Dr. Thakur together, and I am working on antimicrobial resistance area. I am collecting samples from abattoir and from sheep and environment, and I have been working on 3 organisms, Enterococcus, Salmonella, and Escherichia coli. And this is my 6th round of sampling, so this continues until December.
Hi, I'm Morgan Young. I'm a lab technician for Dr. Thakur. I have my bachelor's degree in animal science that I'm working for the past 2 years in the food science department on produce safety. I have come to this lab and I'm working on the Center for Produce Safety project. We look at basically the transfer of pathogens from animals to produce and how we can prevent that.